Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe in your home. In the previous video from class 2nd English Reader, chapter number 8, Forgiving is better than punishment. Today, I will check your memory. Are you okay? Who was Shikhar? Shikhar कौन था? Karthik's brother, Karthik's cousin, Karthik's friend. Who's tell me? Right answer is Karthik's brother. Now second, why were Karthik and Shikhar unhappy? Who's tell me? कार्तिक और शिखर दुखी क्यों थे? Because they were along, क्योंकि वह साथ में थे. Because they were fighting with each other, क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे से लड़ते थे. Because they lost their way to home, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना घर खो दिया था. Who's tell me? Right answer is because they were along. Number 3. Who hit the ball on Karthik's head? कार्तिक के सर पर बॉल किसने मारी? कार्तिक हिमसेल्फ, उसने खुद ने. शिखर, कार्तिक्स फ्रेंड, या कार्तिक के फ्रेंड ने. Who's tell me? Answer to this question is Shikhar. Shikhar hit the ball on Karthik's head. Number 4. What did Karthik and Shikhar learn that day? उस दिन कार्तिक और शिखर ने क्या सीखा? We should never forgive each other. Forgiving each other is not very hard. Forgiving each other is a bad thing. हमें एक दूसरे को कभी माफ नहीं करना चाहिए. एक दूसरे को क्षमा करना बहुत कठिन कार्य नहीं है, या एक दूसरे को क्षमा करना बुरी बात है. Who's tell me? Right answer is forgiving each other is not very hard. एक दूसरे को क्षमा करना बहुत कठिन नहीं है. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did Karthik feel bad to his brother? कार्तिक को अपने भाई के साथ बुरा क्यों लगा? Answer to this question is Karthik's brother shamed to keep on doing things that Karthik feel bad. कार्तिक के भाई को लगा था कि कार्तिक बुरा महसूस कर रहा है. Question number 2. Did Karthik go to play with Shikhar when he called him? क्या कार्तिक शिखर के साथ खेलने गया था जब उसने उसे बुलाया था? Answer to this question is no. Karthik did not go to play with Shikhar when he called him. Question number 3. Who forgive whom and why? किसने और क्यों माफ किया? Answer to this question is they both forgive each other. दोनों ने एक दूसरे को माफ किया. They learned that forgiving each other is not very hard. क्योंकि वह सीख चुके थे कि एक दूसरे को माफ करना बहुत कठिन नहीं है. Question number 4. Were both of them happy after being along? साथ होने के बाद भी दोनों खुश थे? Answer to this question is no. Students, ये थे आपके मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस और आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. Your today's homework is learn and do it in your revision copy. That's it for today. Okay, students.